Hey! There you are! Good to see you. Passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. That's perfect! Amazing! We're always happy to help. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Perfect! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag it. Great! Only the boldest of engines will try a cannonball curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Excellent! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's perfect! We all love your train set. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... This is your toy collection. Here you can see all the toys you've placed in your train. I love that. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's the way. We all love your train set. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Just drag the sheep and drop them in their pen. Excellent! That was off the rails! Right leads to the town. We're almost at the town square. Right leads to, we're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... set at a new exciting minigame. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Forward leads to the pig farm. Left leads to... Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... the tunnel is nearby. I love that. Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Well done! We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy.